So like I stated on the previous video, there are two main things to get to know when recording talking faces. One would be lighting and the other one is sound. Let's go over sound in this video. You've probably noticed that even if a video is good, if the audio quality is relatively bad or even very bad, you tend to click away. And that's very true, at least for me. Sound is by far one of the most important aspects of video editing and recording. It tends to bind everything together and keep the viewer's attention at least for a little bit longer. Let me show you how I record these videos and the different microphones that I use. I will cover from most expensive to least expensive, so there are many options, so stick around. The first microphone on the line is the Rode VideoMic NTG. This is an on-camera shotgun microphone that is generally used on the go or outdoors. As it's a shotgun microphone, it's best used when the camera is literally in front of you or the microphone is pointing directly at you. If not, it will pick up things from behind. I personally use it for these videos in order to sync with the microphones that I have on my desktop. Second on the line is the Rode NT USB. That's the one that you're hearing right now. This is more of a podcast microphone, and the closer you are, the better you're gonna have sound. I use this one when I'm not at my usual desk, but it's my personal favorite. Next is the one I usually use, which is the Maono XLR condenser microphone, which is this one. It's not my personal favorite in terms of sound, but it's smaller and it doesn't take too much space. It also comes with a metal arm that I can use to move it around easily even when I'm playing, so I don't have to move it around on my desk and I can play freely. Finally, the least expensive one is this lavalier microphone, the one that you're listening to right now. I'm not sure what specific brand this one is, but I know that Rode also has different lavalier microphones, or you can find one on Amazon for even cheaper. The good part about these ones is that you can use them on interviews where the camera is farther away from the subject. You can also pop these ones on your phone, and usually comes with a USB-C, so you can plug it into most phones. This type of microphone can elevate your videos tenfold. They are also great because they isolate really well the person's voice, and I've used these for most of my professional interviews and they work perfectly. I hope this information helps you to understand a little bit more about sound and also to try out different stuff. But always remember that you don't need all this fancy equipment. The first thing that you actually need is to get started. Eventually, all these stuff will come along the way and you will find ways to improve the quality of your videos once you get used to being on camera and talking freely. Also note that most of the sounds on these microphones are actually being recorded to Adobe Audition, and I have to sync them later with the camera in order to actually work. Most of the sounds that you heard today were from this microphone, so I actually have to sync it with the videos that are being recorded on the camera, as it's not being recorded directly to the video. This is also a learning curve, but it's not impossible to learn, as YouTube has many videos about this, so it'll be easy for you to find a way to actually sync them. It's going to be the same with your lavalier microphone, unless you're actually recording directly to the camera, as all the sounds are actually going to be directly on the video that you're recording with your phone. So again, remember that all you need to do is actually to get started. Go check out the previous video about lighting if you want tips on that, and hope to see you on the next one.